Weekdays and how to say this in German is what we will be seeing in this video. Day in German is called Tag and week is called Woche. All weekdays in English end with day. We have already seen day is Tag in German. So replacing day, we get Monday, Montag, Friday, Freitag, and Sunday, Sonntag. The words that aren't similar to English ones are Tuesday, Dienstag, Thursday, Donnerstag, and Saturday, Samstag. Wednesday is in the middle of the 5-day week and hence called middle week or Mittwoch. A recap and overview of the weekdays. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag.